Welcome back to another wonderful property tour, Rankin family. Today, we are located in College Station, Texas, taking a look at another gorgeous luxury home. And I want to give a huge thank you to the listing agent, Ashley Childs, for making the tour possible. Also, the builder, Lochmann Construction, and I'll make sure to leave all of the information in the description below. Now, starting on the outside, family, we have a wonderful modern farmhouse. You have the board and batten siding along with the natural stone and the steeply pitched gables. Now, the cool part is you are situated on 2.27 acres. So those of you that want plenty of space in the front as well as the back, this is certainly the property for you. Now, as we do continue, you have the wood soffit that continues to the back of the property as well. And over there to the left, you have a long driveway that leads you to your 3-car garage. And there's a neat feature inside of the garage that you want to stay tuned for. Now, as we do continue, it is freshly landscaped. Now, look at the sleek covered front porch here. You have a lot of modern features on the property, inside and out, and it really makes the difference. Now, you can imagine hanging out here with the friends and family, relaxing and having a great time. Incredible. Plenty of space. You have Bermuda sod. Absolutely stunning. Now, over here, you got the double front doors with the textured glass. Gorgeous light fixture. And let's go ahead and get you inside. Okay. Look at this. Before we continue, I'll go ahead and show you the front door from the inside. Okay, so plenty of natural light inside of the home. You have 22-foot ceilings. You see the clear story windows. Now, you have the floor to ceiling micro cement fireplace right there. Really neat touch. Got your shelving over there to the left, built-in cabinetry, extremely open. That's an 85-inch TV for reference. And I'll go ahead and do a full pan. So you can see the second level right there. You have the open concept dining area, and it flows extremely well to the kitchen. Now, right over here, look at this. You have two-tone countertops as well as cabinetry. You got partial overlay, and you will have the inset cabinetry right along this island here. I'll show you that now. Outstanding, massive island here. You see that continues up the backsplash right there, flat panel cabinet fronts too, plenty of storage. Let's go ahead and show you what you get. All soft close. Got a trash drawer on this side, dishwasher on the right side, massive undermount sink here. And look at the incredible view. Now, in addition to that, you have an additional sink, incredible views of the mature trees, and the space that you have between you and the neighbors is the cherry on top. So you can open that up for a breath of fresh air. On top of that, if you have guests hanging out back there, you can open that up and serve them a drink or two. Beautiful. So the dream kitchen, you still have windows in here. Got the double oven and the massive refrigerator. All the alcohol you could imagine. They do host here every so often, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so I want to show you right around this corner because this is the working pantry. So you got counter space here, open shelving, built-in microwave, under cabinet lighting, and some additional drawers. They also included the outlets here, so if you wanted to add some appliances back here, you could certainly do so. Okay, so we'll go ahead and start on this side and make sure to work our way around. Now, you do have a quick access door here to get you to the patio with ease. And let's go ahead and see the rest. Okay, so you have the king bed, built-in speakers. Look at the incredible view that you get. Can you imagine this every single day? Absolutely incredible. And you see the walk room that you have on both sides as well. So a lot to work with. Now, you have the sliding door that leads you to your ensuite. Take a look at this. His and hers vanities. Your speakers back here too. You have a cosmetic station over here to the right. Look at that. Additional cabinets. Water closet over here to the right. Right above the toilet, you do have some additional cabinetry. Look at the sconces there. Really elevates the appearance. And then you have a spa-like wet room. So zero threshold right down there. Massive shower bench. Dual shower heads. You even have a shower wand over here. And a freestanding tub. Incredible. And then you have your shower niches. Now, heading to the primary closet. This is connecting to the laundry room. For your convenience, you have your built-in drawers over here, open shelving for your shoe collection, and then you can always extend it to the top. Now, in addition to all of that, you have halo lighting throughout the property, family. And I'll show you that in just a moment, what that means as we continue. Now, right over here to the right, you have your laundry room. Plenty of space for an oversized washer and dryer, wall-to-wall cabinetry. Now, this is a cool feature as well. So to the left, you have storage right here, okay? You got additional cabinets on top. But then, look at this. This will be right underneath the stairs, some additional storage. But really, you could do with this as you please. But I just thought it was really cool how they tucked it away and gave it that seamless appearance. Outstanding. And that'll bring you right back out here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you straight ahead before we continue. But with the halo lighting, family, I'm going to go ahead and show you that. You see the outer ring right there. So once you turn it off and turn it back on, you get the traditional lighting. So depending on your mood, the time of day, you can change that as you please. Okay, so now as we continue, right over here, you have a half bath. So you can get access to the backyard. So if folks are hanging out back there, they come right in here. But look at that. Very well designed, really stands out. And this is a move-in ready property, family. So you can be inside within 30 days or less. So this is a multi-purpose room. You see they have it staged as an office, but if you wanted to use this as a game room, hangout spot, or a gym, You have all the room in the world to do so. You see your speakers back here, got your French doors that'll lead you to the patio as well. Extremely roomy and spacious, and I love to see it. Okay, now coming in from the garage, you have your mudroom. Love the built-ins. Got your brushed nickel hooks, even the slots underneath there to tuck away your shoes. Closet here. And then your 3-car garage. So not only do you have plenty of room inside, you have the windows, the soaring ceilings, but straight ahead, look at this. You have a built-in vacuum and built-in pressure washer. So if you want to wash the vehicles, you can do that. If you want to go ahead and pressure wash the driveway as time progresses, you can do that as well. A lot of times you don't see that with the spec homes. You see that more with custom properties. So that was a neat feature that they included. And then coming in from the garage, look at this incredible view. Lovely. So you got the open concept, love to see it. Perfect for families. Okay, so now let's go ahead and tackle this side of the property, family. So you are gonna have 2 bedrooms down and the additional 2 upstairs. And you have a neat loft area, which you had seen from the great room. Plenty of space in here, as you can see. Got a ton of room for a queen bed, your 2 nightstands. Walk-in closet. And now this is going to be a shared full bath. You do have a walk-in shower. It is curbless as well. They included the shower bench. And you see the massive shower niche as well. So hopefully I'm being as thorough as possible for your family. If you haven't, please let me know your thoughts in the comments. We'll see about getting other projects from them on the channel, so that way you can see what else they have to offer. Now you have a massive picture window here. So natural light from all angles. And then let's take a look at the second level. Look how open and spacious this is. The kids would have a blast up here. The good thing is, if you are hanging out in the great room, you don't have to worry about what the kiddos are doing. You can see them from there. So they included the ceiling fan. You got the halo lighting up here too. And let's take a look at the additional bedrooms. So the property is a little under 3,500 square feet, but they really maximized the square footage. Plenty of space in this room too. You got your walk-in closet. Here's your shared bathroom, quartz counters, the brushed nickel, beautiful sconce, and the tub shower combo. I try my best to get you a close up on the material. A lot of times, if you're not watching in 4K, it's hard to tell, but if I get a close up, Hopefully it'll help out a little bit. And that was partial overlay cabinets. Now, fourth and final bedroom. So a lot of room in here for the value. At the time of this recording, it is listed for just under 1.15. And after walking the property and wait till we see the backyard, plus the space that you get, the value is certainly here in my opinion. And that will bring us right back out here. Okay, so we'll get you to the backyard patio, see what all that has to offer. Again, if you haven't, please let me know your thoughts in the comments. You know, I try my best to bring a variety of properties to the channel for you. And that way, at least you can see what all is out there. Now, remember you had the French doors that was in the gym slash office, but then you have that here as well. So really fitting in with the aesthetic of the property. Look how incredible this patio is. So you have the extended section straight ahead over there. The speakers continues outside. And then over here, look at this. Built-in grill, undermount sink. Got some more counter space, that natural stone here. Wow. So remember, you can open up that window there if you're in the kitchen and then transition the prepped food in and out with ease. You got some yard back here too, and it extends all the way over here so it can accommodate, gosh, 20, 30, 40 people back here. And that's always good to see. Now you have that quick access door to get you to that half bath. Got your modern outdoor wall lights. That'll lead you right there into the hangout spot or the game room, the office, the gym. It is multi-purpose. And then that'll lead you to the driveway. Incredible. But other than that, family, that was another beautiful luxury home tour. All right, Rankin family, that was it for this beautiful luxury home right here in College Station, Texas. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this gorgeous property. Is this something you could see yourself living in? Would you make any changes? And if so, please let me know in the comments below. If you want more information about this home or any home we showcase, reach out to the information in the description. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss a tour every single week. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.